Topic 1. Trump-backed Bitcoin company debuts on Nasdaq, signaling growing mainstream acceptance of cryptocurrency investments. The Bitcoin company, American Bitcoin, associated with the Trump family, has gone public on Nasdaq, indicating an increase in mainstream acceptance of cryptocurrency investments. The company completed its merger with Griffon Digital Mining before its listing, and it is supported by Donald Trump Jr. and Eric Trump. Eric Trump described the listing as a historic milestone, bringing Bitcoin to the forefront of the U.S. capital markets. The Trump family has significantly shifted its business focus from real estate to cryptocurrency, holding billions in various crypto projects. While Democrats criticize Trump for trying to monetize his popularity among cryptocurrency investors, Trump denies any conflict of interest. Topic 2. Google retains its Chrome and Android divisions after a favorable antitrust ruling. Google has managed to keep its Chrome browser and Android operating system following a favorable ruling from a U.S. federal court. This outcome allowed Google to avoid the most extreme measures after being found guilty of illegal online search monopolization. The court restricted Google from sharing search data with competitors and maintaining exclusive contracts related to Chrome, Search, Google Assistant, and the Gemini app. These contracts have provided significant revenue for Google, which had proposed giving them up as a solution. The ruling comes at a time when Google's search business is threatened by AI chatbots, and the company has also been found guilty of illegal monopolization in its advertising business. Google expressed concerns about the ruling and is reviewing its impact on users and privacy. While the court prohibited exclusive contracts, it still allows Google to pay partners for distributing its services, indicating that Google will need to work harder to attract consumers. Google plans to appeal the ruling, which could take years, but overall, it is seen as a victory for the company, allowing it to avoid selling Chrome and Android. Topic 3. Salesforce reduces workforce by 4,000 due to AI efficiencies. Salesforce CEO Mark Benioff recently announced in a podcast that the company has reduced its customer support workforce by 4,000 due to the efficiencies brought by artificial intelligence, AI. With AI agents handling more tasks, Salesforce's support staff has nearly halved. Benioff explained that AI is performing 30 to 50% of the company's work, allowing for a reduction in customer support staff and a redeployment of previously lacking sales personnel. This trend is not only affecting Salesforce, but is also triggering workforce reductions in other major tech companies due to AI investments. Benioff anticipates that AI will expand into other departments within the company, indicating that this is just the early stage of AI adoption. Topic 4. Rising gold prices reflect investor concerns amid ongoing economic uncertainty. On April 4, 2025, gold prices surpassed $500 per ounce in Munich, Germany, reaching an all-time high. This year, gold prices have risen by 35%, significantly outpacing the 9% increase in the S&P 500. Experts analyze that the rise in gold prices is linked to increasing economic uncertainty. With employment slowdowns and rising inflation, investors are favoring gold as a safe asset. Stress in the long-term bond market and a decline in the value of the US dollar are also enhancing gold's appeal. As the Federal Reserve considers interest rate cuts, gold is viewed as a relatively safe long-term investment compared to short-term US bonds. The decline in the dollar's value reflects a decrease in global dependence, leading some investors to choose gold as an alternative. In this context, gold is reinforcing its role as a safe haven. Topic 5. China's military power displayed in a parade attended by global leaders like Putin and Kim Jong-un. China showcased its military power in a grand parade attended by global leaders, including Vladimir Putin,